Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see acceleration, types of acceleration, uniform and non-uniform acceleration. So come, let's see this in detail. First one is acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change in velocity. That is, the change in velocity with respect to time. Rate of change means change happens in that particular time. So, if a body changes its speed or direction, then it is said to be accelerated. The formula for acceleration is change in velocity by time. Change in velocity is the difference between the final velocity and the initial velocity. That is, final velocity minus initial velocity. Then the change with respect to time. That is, we take final velocity as v and initial velocity as u and time as t. So, the formula is v minus u divided by t. The unit for acceleration can be derived by the formula. Since we know acceleration is change of velocity by time, so here velocity formula is displacement by time. So, the formula can be rewritten as displacement by time divided by time. The unit of displacement is meter and the unit for time is second. So, we can derive from this the unit is meter per second square. Here comes an example. The car travels in a straight path and it reaches a velocity of 12 meter per second in 4 seconds. To find acceleration, we have to use a formula, that is change in velocity divided by time, that is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Here initial velocity is 0 because the car is in rest and the final velocity is 12 meter per second and time is 4 seconds. So, apply these values in formula, we will get 12 minus 0 divided by 4, which gives 3 meter per second square. So, the acceleration of car is 3 meter per second square. Next is types of acceleration. We have two types, positive acceleration and negative acceleration. Positive is nothing but if the velocity of the object increases with respect to time, then it is called positive acceleration or just acceleration. And negative acceleration is that the object moves with decreasing velocity with respect to time. Then the object is said to be negative acceleration or deceleration or retardation. This is clearly shown in the graph. In the first graph, the acceleration, that is the velocity, increases with respect to time, which is known as positive acceleration, and in second graph the velocity decreases with respect to time and it is known as negative acceleration. There is also another classification of acceleration based on the uniformity. The types are uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration is the object moves with same velocity at each time interval. It is known as uniform acceleration, that is change of velocity for every unit time is same. And if an object moves with different velocity at each time interval, then it is called non-uniform acceleration, that is change in velocity for every unit time is not same. The graph is shown which explains the uniform and non-uniform acceleration. And that's all for this video, and the remaining topic are in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my previous videos and the upcoming videos. Thank you.